Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elmarie. Guys, it's a beautiful day today, so I am gonna be doing some housekeeping in my garden, wherein I am gonna be doing some fertilizing, some cutting of the grass, some moving flowers from one place to another, giving the plants some plant food. Guys, I have done a lot before, however the season is not over as yet, so I am going to show you guys what I have done before and what I am going to be doing in the future. So guys, these are some hostas. These are very low maintenance kind of plant, so I really don't have to do a lot with these, just to water them and give them the plant food when they need it. This one, it just needs water all the while. This one is called a fan plant and it needs water all the while. It takes a lot of water for this one to stay healthy. These are hydrangeas and they're putting out their bloom now. This one is white, and then as the time goes by, few weeks from now, the same plant is gonna turn pink. I love it, really love it. This one is a bulb plant. This is bulb plant. It purple, as you can see, and this is the white one. So this one is the same, but it's just different in color. These are lilies, and these ones, they come back every year, so I don't have to put these ones in every year. All of these along the stretch, they will come back every year. This one is lily also, but it's just a different color. That one is yellow and this is just a different color. There's another one there, but the bloom is all gone. So this one is peonies. It's already bloom for the season already. It was huge, big, pink in color, and very nice plant, but the season for it is now over, so it will just stay green and luscious just like that. So this one is the same thing. It's same peonies. This one was light pink, like a baby kind of pink, and also this one have done its time for the season. It's already bloomed, so it will just stay green and luscious just for the beauty of the leaf right now. For this one, this is like a wild running rose. It's supposed to be miniature, but I don't know how it gets so tall, but it's supposed to be like a miniature rose. This is peach in color. Sometimes it turns yellow, like some of the bloom would be yellow and some would be peach. Love it. So this is a palm. I have one here and one there. So these ones need trimming, so I will just trim them. I'll just trim off all the dry leaves of it and allow space for the new leaves. These ones are my rose. This one is a yellow rose. Sometimes it gives me a peachy kind of color, but it's supposed to be rose. Look at this one. Oh my god, so beautiful. Love them. So this is red and white, so it's red on top and white underneath, and that's how it grows, red and white. This guy here is same rose because it's all rose family, but this one is pink. In between them, I put some marigold in between the rose. Reason for that is people said the scent of the marigold it will protect the rose from bugs. So I place the marigold in between the rose. Back home in Jamaica we call this one Stinking Mary, but it's marigold. This one is dropping a leaf just because it needs a little attention. So I will give this some plant food and I will give it some fertilizer as well. This is my miniature rose, but this one needs weeding. So I will weed this one. It was in full bloom before and it's have bloomed off and falling off all of these buds, but it's not over for the season as yet. For sure this one will come back fully. This is the most beautiful rose in the garden. This is a red rose and it's the blooming is so huge all the time. Whenever time people pass in here, they ask to stop by to take picture with this rose. So guys, the thing that is killing me with these plants is we have Japanese beagle here, and you can see here, look at this one, this Japanese beagle, and they bore some big holes in the plant. Look at the amount that is on this one plant. I tried everything to get rid of these Japanese beagle and nothing worked for me so far, and I'm just gonna be trying some homemade stuff now, like some maybe dishwashing liquid, maybe some garlic, maybe some pepper, something. I'm gonna blend all of those and just spray them on the plant to see if I can get rid of these bugs. Okay, so I am just gonna be checking the name of this plant. This is hydrangea plant, and it's full sun plant, easy to maintain, so the app will give you everything you need to know about the plant. So the bugs, they're on this one, but I don't think they really like to eat this one. Maybe they don't like the taste. In another few days, this is what it's gonna look like in big full bunch. This plant is so beautiful, and it's one of those kind of tough kind of plant. Okay. I will just mold them up a little bit around the root and give them some fertilizer. And also they will breed better. Started out as pink, but really it's gonna be lavender. So this one is rose food, so I'll be putting this on it. They grow better and they breed better when they have more food. So I won't put it on the rose, I'll put it around the rose. this palm have so much dry leaves on it, so I will be trimming up this one so it will look better and start putting out young sprout and breed better as well. So like these ones, I'll take them off. I want to take off the entire limb. Whew, guys, I'm so tired. However, now I'm gonna wet the plants just to put some fungicide powder on the leaf. That will run away the bugs and all the bats and all of those things that is on the flowers. That will get rid of them. But first I have to wet the leaf at the plant so it can stick, or the powder can stay on. It won't be blown away by breeze. Okay guys, this one keeps away any form of crawling insect that would be on the plant. So guys, I took a well-needed shower. Outside was so hot. It's still pretty early in the afternoon, so I am gonna make some peppered shrimp alongside some beverage because the shrimp is gonna be peppery, so that's hot, and outside was hot, so I need some juice. So I am gonna make some mango, strawberry, and pineapple juice. Let's get started. So I have these shrimp. I bought them at Costco, and I will be using them. First, I will wash my shrimp. I'll squeeze some lemon juice just to, you know, take away the rawness of the shrimp. So doing this, guys, it's nothing hard, nothing fancy about it. It's just salt and pepper. So now I'll put the pot to heat. I'll wash and chop all of these peppers. Then I'll add the salt. See how they're changing color? They're turning pink. Now I'll add the peppers. This is all hot pepper. And I'll add some more salt. Give it a stir. Smelling good already, guys. Trust me, smelling good already. So the shrimp is gonna take like 10 to 15 minutes because generally shrimp cook in like 3-4 minutes. So I'll let it sit there for about 10 to 15 minutes. In the meanwhile, I will start with my beverage. So I have 3 beautiful mangoes, so I'll give them a wash. Very nice mangoes. And some strawberry, but first I will blend the pineapple. The pineapple is already peeled and clean. I'm just blending the pineapple to get the juice from the pineapple because I don't want to put the trash in. So I'll blend the pineapple first. So now I blend the pineapple because I want to use the pineapple juice to use it blend the mango because I don't have to strain the mango. I don't have to strain the strawberry, but I have to strain the pineapple because, you know, roughage is in the pineapple, so I have to strain it. So now I will juice the mango with the strawberries. I'll do it in 2 batches. And the strawberries, I clean them and freeze them so they are frozen. And I'll put some juice on it. And the strawberry have ice already because, like I said before, I pull it from the freezer, but I will still put some ice in it. Guys, all thick and nice, very nice smoothie. So now guys, it's all done. Come to an end. Nice peppered shrimp. There you have it guys, a nice peppered shrimp. Oh my god, it smells so nice. And alongside some pineapple, mango, strawberry smoothie. This is just what I deserve after a long day in the sun. Guys, please remember, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. So I will just remove the trash from the shrimp. Very nice, very delicious, very tasty, very peppery. A little extra salt because that's what gives it the nice flavor. Very good. I'll taste it. Awesome. This is very nice. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next video.